I was the warrior, the mind behind the flame, the tactician, the king, the man they all would name. But time has stripped me bare, the gods have had their fun. I made it home, but I'm no longer the one. I saw the prophet with the answers I feared. He spoke of futures drowned in blood and smeared. He saw my palace painted red. He saw the suitors lying dead. He saw my wife in another's arms, a man with charm, but death in palms. He saw my son grown and cold, a stranger forged from years I sold. I lived the song of past romance. I made the sacrifice, took the chance. I bore betrayal, watched brothers fall. I heard the sirens, I braved it all. Skull scream, the lightning's wrath, mutiny carved into my path. Poseidon's hate, Athena's grace, still couldn't cleanse my blood-stained face.